Your function threw an error. Your try catch was right there and it didn't catch it. I'm going to show you this in JavaScript, but the same bug exists in every async runtime. Python, Java, Go, Rust, Kotlin, and the fix is the same too. Here's an async function that throws an error wrapped in a try catch that logs the error if it happens. That's everything we need. Run it. All good. That's all you see. The throw happened. The error is real. But your console says everything is fine. The function runs and it hits the throw. But because it's an async function, the throw doesn't escape. It transforms into a rejected promise on a different channel. Meanwhile, the synchronous code keeps running. Console.log prints all good. And the try block finishes. The catch is no longer listening. Now the rejection finally arrives. But nobody is there to hear it. The try catch and the error live in different timelines. They never meet. This has a name, the asynchronous error boundary, where a synchronous handler loses the ability to catch errors from an async operation. Think of it like dropping a package at the post office. You hand it over the counter. You get a receipt that says accepted, and you walk away. Later, somewhere on the road, the postman falls sick and the package never arrives. Your receipt was real. The failure was real. They just happened in different rooms and nobody at the destination is listening for the postman fell sick. There are two honest fixes. Add await. The function pauses at the throw. The rejection becomes a real throw and the catch is still there to hear it. Or stay in a promise world. Put a catch at the end of the chain. What you can't do is mix them. Wrap a then chain in a try catch and the rejection escapes. The try block is gone before the chain resolves. The principle is one line. Handle the error in the same timeline it lives. Every runtime has its own syntax for this. The shape is the same. Most developers ask, did I handle the error? The error was handled by code that ran too early. The better question is, was the catch alive when the error arrived? That's where error disappears. Try catch is a moment in time. It only catches what happens while it is alive. Async errors arrives later. Make sure someone's still there to listen. This isn't just theory. In October 2020, Node 15 shipped with one small change. Unhandled rejections now crash the process. Services that had been hiding errors for years started crashing. The behavior didn't change, the visibility did. Next week, the runtime stops listening politely.